Today we're making canoas, stuffed sweet plantains. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
Canoa is simply translated canoe, and that's what it looks like when we split the plantain down the middle and stuff it. You want to make sure that you have a plantain that is yellow with black spots. That way you know it's sweet, but it's still going to be firm. Okay, the first thing I want to do is I want to cut off the ends. And then take that knife and run it down the side. Don't go too far or don't go too deep. And just peel it just like that and do the rest same manner. Now we're going to fry the plantains. Okay, in the cast iron pan I have some vegetable oil that I heated up, and now we're going to add our plantain. And we're going to fry this for about 5 minutes on each side, and it's a nice golden brown. Okay, now we're going to begin our picadillo. I'm going to add some olive oil to a saute pan. To that, we're going to add some diced onion and green bell pepper. And we're going to saute this for about 5 minutes. Okay, and then we're going to add our ground chicken. Okay, now we're going to add some sofrito. And by the way, if you can't find fresh sofrito, then you can use Loisa's jarred sofrito, and it is delicious. As well as some olives, Spanish olives. Now traditionally vinegar is used, but if you don't have vinegar, you could actually use the olive brine. Half a cup of tomato sauce. Then we're going to add some seasonings like Loisa's adobo and sazon. Some ground black pepper, some ground coriander, as well as ground cumin and dried oregano. And about a cup of chicken stock. We're going to incorporate all these ingredients together, and then we're going to allow it to simmer on the stove for about 15 minutes. Okay, so here I have my plantains and the chicken picadillo. I'm just going to add a little bit of chopped cilantro just to brighten it up a little bit. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a slit right in the middle, right down the center on each one. And then we're just going to open it up like a canoe. And now we're going to take that chicken picadillo and we're just going to fill Okay, now we're going to take some cheese. You can use Monterey Jack, you can use mozzarella, you can use cheddar, whatever floats your boat. And we're just going to top that with the cheese. And then again, for some color, just going to top it with some cilantro. Then we're going to take this and pop it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so here we have it. Canoas de Plátano. Sabroso.
If you like this video, click the recipe tab in the video description, which will take you to our recipe page on Provecho, where you'll get a printer-ready format of the recipe that links directly to Instacart, so you can shop for all the ingredients instantly. You can also follow along with the video as you make something sabroso.
Todo queda sabroso.